Hello guys, this is Forex teacher. In today's video, I just want to do something that I'd never done before. I want to share this for free. I'm going to teach you guys how to manage the open positions. So how to manage the open trades. Most of you guys already know how to trade, already know how to enter the trade, but the most important thing that you should keep in mind is that how do you exit the trades? And that is also the most difficult thing to do. So I want to teach you today the easiest way to do it. I'm going to teach you two strategies of how to manage the trades, right? So as you can see on the charts right now, this is actually a funded account challenge. I'm actually 2% up in profit. You can see my take profit is just about to get hit right here. I'm also having another funded account challenge. This one it's also about to get hit. You can see right here the take profit is about to get hit. So before I talk about this, I want to go to our charts and our Telegram channel where I send you the signal today, and then I'll explain to you the reason why I'm still in the trade. All right, so this is our open trade. You can see it running right here. Let me remove this one. All right, so you can see that this is an open trade. Let's go to trade right here. You see this is about 2.2 in profit, but you can see it's starting to go back up. So I want to teach you how to exit the trades in a good way. All right, so the first thing that I want to talk about is the trade that we closed, which is this one right here. So I already drag it to chart, so you can see this is the trade. From here, this was our entry, this was our stop loss, which is about almost 40 pips, right? Which was almost 40 pips. And also our take profit was right here, which was almost 40 pips. So if you go back to our Telegram channel, you are going to see these trades were sent live in real time and also updated in real time. So the first time I updated this trade, it was around 27 pips in profit. And then now I just updated that it was running 77 pips in profit, and the take profit number one was hit. So most of you guys already know how to trade, but you don't know how to exit the open position, which is why I want to teach you today. So the first thing that I want to look at, there are two things that we can do to teach you how to exit the trade. So the first thing, all these are for free. I'm not going to sell you anything. So I want you guys to support my channel. Just hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get more of these videos. So the first thing I want to talk about is Fibonacci retracement. So this is a free tool that you can get in any MT4, MT5. So you just go to the previous swing when the trend started, right, which is here. You go down to where is the lowest part of it, right? Or let me start by teaching you the other way so that it's easy for me to explain to you when I'm using Fibonacci. So let's just forget about this. We'll come back to this. So the first thing that we can talk about is when the market is moving, it does not just move in a straight line like this, right? It actually goes from this top, which we call a high, right? It creates a lower high if it's going down. It comes back and it creates, this is a lower high. It goes down to create another lower low. The lower low has to be lower than the previous low. So in this case, I think our lower low was going to be here, right? So it goes back up to create another lower high. So the lower high here has to be lower than the previous lower high, right? That's how the market moves. So in this case, it will be creating lower lows going down, which means it's trending. All right, so you can see it kept on going down up until it reaches this level. All right, and then there was a huge spike going back up. So we are actually looking at a M1 time frame. This is gold. So there was a huge rejection going back up. You can see this rejection, right? But this rejection did not break this lower high, right? So if by any chance it break the lower high, when we are going down, if it breaks the previous structure, we are actually now looking to exit the trades. Or if the take profit number one was hit, that's when you just move your stop loss to break even. All right, just in case it comes back to break even, or maybe just in case it continues to go, and then you can hit your take profit number two. So this is how I manage the trades. This is the first thing that I can teach you that is very, very easy, and this is seen every day. All right, you can go to any chart, it will show you like this. All right, so the main reason I didn't close when it came back from here, it came back up. I think this was almost from the lower low here. This is almost about 50 pips going back. All right, I did not panic because it did not break this lower high, so I know that it's going to continue. So when the first time when I saw this candle, I just knew that it's going to continue to go down. So this is the same thing that have been happening also. If you check after this, so this is still the same lower high. All right, so we are waiting for the market to what, to create a lower low right here. Right, so this was a lower low that was created. Let me just, so this one we don't count it, we don't even look at it. We look at this one right here now. All right, the reason I did not look at this lower high is because here it did not create a lower low. So this is now a lower low. So what I'm expecting now, if the price goes back above, right, you can see here this was a lower high which was created. So I'm expecting the price to keep on going down and break this lower low. So right now, the main thing that I'm looking at is if the price breaks this zone, I'll exit, right? If it breaks this zone, I'll exit. So what we look at is not just a line, right? If you are trading Forex, when we are talking about a resistance, it's not just a line. When we are talking about the previous high, it's not just a line where the price is. It's actually a zone, sort of like something like this, right? So if it breaks above this one, it's either I'll move my stop loss to break even and let it run, since I already have another trade that I close right here with profits on take profit number 1. So I can let this one run. It can even come back and hit wherever it can go. But here in this case, I can actually move my stop loss to go right above this one, the previous lower high, right? I can actually put my stop loss right here, right? So here, if it doesn't break, if it breaks like what is happening right now, I'm going to exit the trade. If it closes above this line, I'm exiting this. So I'm also using a candlestick timer. I can see it's 2 seconds left. All right, I'm out. So this is how I manage the trades each and every day. It's very, very easy when you have a strategic way of doing it, which is why I say, guys, you need a trading plan, and on your trading plan you need to know exactly how to exit the trades. So this is simple, guys. There's nothing complicated about this. So if I remove this, let me remove all this so that I can show you how to use the Fibonacci also to manage the trades. So I'll just try and highlight everything. All right, so if you were looking at this trade from up right here, this is where the trend, or this is where the trend started, right, up until it reached down right here, right, down right here. Okay, so this is another way to manage the trades. So as you can see, the Fibonacci retracement tool has got actually key levels. So the main key level that it has is this one right here, which is 61.8, and the second key level is this one right here, which is 50.0, and then the third one, which is this one right here. So normally I just look at this first and second, and sometimes I use this third one as well. So if it breaks above this key level, this main one, if it breaks and close above right here, I'm exiting the trade if I was in profit, right? So you find out I enter my trade right here. It kept on going. So it can come back and have this massive pullback that you see right here. This massive pullback was just nothing. It was just a manipulation for people to buy so that the market can continue to go down. You can see it continue to go down from this level. It actually went down here. All right, so if I also want to re-enter trades, I can also use the Fibonacci retracement tool. So what it does is that when it reaches this level, I can actually just put an order right here, right? But don't rush to put the order. You need to wait to see a sign of rejection from that angle, right? That's when you can place the order. So if you take it blindly, it's still fine. If you had some little bit of profits, or if you want to take the risk, it's still okay. So if I were to put my stop loss right here, I'll put it above this level right here. All right, because I know that it may go just above to test and then it goes down. If it closes above here, like I told you already, it simply means that the market is going the other way. All right, so that is another way that you can actually enter trades. Like, let's say you missed the trade, so you should actually use it not now, like after it break this structure, right? What I'm trying to explain is that for now there was no need for me to place this sell trade, but I was just telling you that on these levels, these are key levels. Most of the time, if it goes on that level, it's going to reject, right? But for this trade, it's not going to work out with the way I see it, just because this structure has been broken, right? If you remember when I first started explaining, I was saying if it breaks above this structure here, right, I'm out of the trade, because it simply means that it can go the other direction. So I think I rushed this one. I was not supposed to enter this trade, but I was going to enter this trade if the market was, let's say, this side right here, right, before all this, right? If this, like you see, for example, when it was here, when it had this rejection, if I was not in a trade, when I see this rejection and then I see this, you see this retracement from here, from this lower low, it came back up about 50 pips, and this is a main level, right, which is a 50.0. I'll just take my sell right here and put my stop loss above the main one right here, which is about 20 pips. So if it's 20 pips, it means I was going to target at least 40. You can see this one reached about 55 pips. All right, so this is very, very easy, guys. There's nothing complicated about managing trades. I wish everyone can just watch my videos and subscribe to this channel and like the video, so that you keep on getting more content like this. And this is for free, guys. I'm not telling you to buy anything. I'm not. So if you want my products, if you want my premium products, then it's fine, you can buy them, because it actually makes it easy for you to enter the trades, and also how to exit. It's actually very, very easy. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I hope this brings some light to how to manage the trades successfully, because it's very, very difficult to manage an open position. And I know a lot of you guys, you are not alone when it comes to managing the open positions, right? So I hope in this video we dive in deep into the world of forex trading, focusing on one of the most crucial aspects that separates successful traders from the rest: position management. If you ever have or if you ever struggled with exiting the trades at the right time, you are not alone. That is why I decided to make this video, so that I share with you guys these simple forex trading strategies. You need to be disciplined when you use this approach, right? You can choose whichever you find easier to use. I think it will help you guys to manage your trades and be successful. So if by any chance you like my content, you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button, and also go to my other videos and just support me, guys. Positive comments, so that we also rank higher and most newbie traders can also learn. This is why most of the traders are losing a lot of money. So you need to stay flexible and adapt to the market conditions, constantly monitor the trades, right? So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video up to this far. Don't forget to hit the like button. I don't know why the price is still stuck at the same 2.2 in profit. Let's see if the other one closed, or maybe this one is a bug, this platform, I don't know. Yeah, I can see this one is actually closed, which simply means that this one actually has a bug. So that is why I don't like these other platforms, you see, because it's failing just to close this trade, yet the take profit was just the same and the stop loss was just the same. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one. If you want help managing your accounts, contact me. I'll put my email address on the screen, also my DM. All right, thanks.